Good morning.
Ryan, looks like you're having a bunch of fun this morning.
Good afternoon for Ryan.
True.
Buenas tardes. Now that includes you, Ryan.
Yeah.
Submitted.
Oh, there you go.
You're not
Yeah, it's
something, right, Ryan?
no, definitely firing on all cylinders right now.
Oh yeah.
I was mid-game, you know? Enjoying it.
Hey guys.
Morning.
Hey, morning.
Good afternoon. I think that's it. All of us.
I'm sorry. Ryan, I see you're on. Do you want to get an update on where we're at, or should we run through stand-up first?
I mean, it's all in the thread where we are. I think they're going. I don't think there's anybody has any particular questions.
Dan said, I think we will be right at 10. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, I mean, we could be. I mean, it's all depends on how long that
Yeah.
last index takes to rebuild. That's why I think it's
Well,
probably closer to 30, but
That's what I sent out. I said it. We're trying for 10, but it might be 10:30. So, I mean, is what it is.
yeah, but I mean, it is looking like it's not gonna be noon, so that's good.
That's good.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's run through stand-up and then get back to it, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, as soon as this finishes, I'm gonna jump off to finish so I can focus on it. But I'm just here while it's running, just watching the things
Yeah.
too. So
Absolutely. If there gets to be a
Fun.
point where there's something better, jump off. So, okay, let's go ahead and get going then.
Okay. Well, I was working on comments in downsample pull request. There is only 2 pending confirmations, and then I move on to the story for add SKUs to Wonderbly HN orders. I create a pull request, but there is some open actions to do that is written down in the story. Well, I am now going to take another task. That's pretty much it for me.
Okay, so Mario, were you saying on that HN Wonderbly thing, do you say you have some open questions? Do you have some questions right now, or sorry, I might not.
There is a
might have
section.
misunderstood.
There is a section in the story specifically for asking those not confirmed thing. For instance, the Plucky stuff was never confirmed, right?
Okay, I got that confirmation. Sorry, I didn't update that. I think it was yesterday. So they don't have anything from Plucky. They don't
Okay.
have an added SKU.
That's a good one. You can see the pull request. $69.72. At the end,
Okay.
you will have the open section, and well, the Plucky books is already confirmed. Another one is quantity 1 for inserts is assumed
Yes.
1 per order, right?
yep,
Yes,
yep,
yes.
same thing.
Correct.
And the last one is something that Cloud found in the thread in the email, that it seems like there is a misunderstanding there, and well, need a clarification because some, for instance, the no card is the issue that we don't know if we need to insert something or not. Basically, the question is we should insert something in the no card stuff. Well, you can read the question there because maybe my words are not accurate.
Okay, I'll look at it when I get back. Just make sure when you do your pull request, and this kind of a reminder for everyone that we're kind of going through whatever, if there's a Claude response or a Claude, if you're using the AI, which I want you to use, but just make sure you're going through it and cleaning it up and
Absolutely.
making sure that it's
Yeah.
right. Okay, great.
There is another comment in the stand-up where we discussed this particular story, and I've added a new bug based on that comment. The bug is number 11351, and there is some comments about the shipping callbacks that we need to filter those APA underscore ones because those are not item they are asking for. So I put that bug, but we need to validate if we need that or not.
Okay. But we'll discuss that bug then. Did you mark it for stand up or where?
Yeah.
Did you say you created it? Okay.
Yeah, it's
Great.
stand up.
Yeah, I see it there on stand up.
Okay.
Okay, that's it for me.
Okay. Well, for me, pull request reviews. I added in that about the on-prem one. I get how it works. It will work, and but there was a solution that I really didn't like. I'm proposing something else there. Maybe you want to take a look, Ryan. But yeah, ultimately it's just a suggestion as a second idea. Totally fine if
Sounds good.
yeah. So yeah, I would like to know if I need to. I finished. Well, not finished, but yeah, at least the one that I published or the pull request. I'm still waiting on some that are draft to be published again, or some other feedbacks on the one that are not accepted yet. But yeah, I don't know. Do you want me to go and now pick others that hasn't been assigned to me, or should I start working on a separate story, trying to develop something? I don't know. At this point I open to new tasks. Let's say.
Let's see what we've got.
So I would. Yeah, go ahead. I was gonna say that I would.
Yep.
Okay, sorry. I was just gonna say I would probably start looking at taking on a new story, but I was going to defer to Ryan if he had some pull requests that he needed to, because I know he's making an effort to try to get that caught up as much as possible. So,
Yeah.
if Ryan has something for you to review, then I would work on that. If not, I would just start pulling stories and start working on them.
So I'm not seeing any PRs that are.
Maybe
Published.
Mario's newest.
I just assigned
Could
that
be
one to
reviewed.
him. That was just one.
Oh,
That was a small
perfect.
one though. So there's just the one. Everything else is in draft or needing review. So there's not a lot to review right now. So
Okay.
there's
There's
a lot of
that
drafts that need to be
new.
done.
Yeah, there's that new from Dan as well. Q the
Which one?
Horizon. view the Horizon and Smart Stacker hot folder deliveries. Oh, that's in draft.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Yeah, I see. Okay.
In the
Yeah.
sprint, it looks like there's the extra small shelving Q4 initiative at the top.
I would suggest that we put some time into seeing what we can do about the batching, how we do the batching for split out M versus
Oh, yeah.
B's.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to be thinking about that.
Let me try
Okay.
to find that. I can put it at the top
It
if I can find it.
should be on, it should be in the list. It might be on,
Oh, I found it.
we need somebody to look at it.
Okay. It is now the top of the new section. Batch composition, single / multi / mixed. This is we need to find a way to batch B's separate from M's.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Do
will
you want me to
assign
put
it.
your name on it? Yeah.
This, yeah, that's great. And yeah, that draft filter sometimes just not working for me. I have the latest version, but I don't know if that happens
Oh.
to you as well.
What are you seeing?
Right now, it's not working for me at all. It's not showing up.
It's work-
So
Yeah,
yeah,
it's, you do have the latest because there were a couple versions.
there were two. I just updated
Okay.
one update. Is there another?
No, those. I think the two are where I think that's what I'm on right now.
Okay. Yeah, not important at all. So
Yeah.
yeah, we can move on. Yeah, that's it for me.
Okay. I had to do a little more for the looking into the DHL switchover and make sure that was all good. Had to make a few adjustments. And then for the Printify shipping API, then I spent some time addressing code review comments. Still have a lot there, I think, because there was a bunch of comments, and then I was looking into why. Oh yeah, for Artifact Uprising. Looking into why shipments are going on our USPS accounts, and I almost have that done, so I can send it back to Mari. And that is pretty much it for me.
Have you thought at all about that Zazzle thing that
Oh,
was showing up in the?
yeah,
So
I mean,
talked
not,
to
not,
Jamie a little bit more about it, and so what she was saying is that they're being charged to us, but and then they're not being billed to Zazzle, and I don't think they're even supposed to be charged to
Yeah.
us at all.
I don't know how it could be
Alright.
charged. I don't know how it could be charged to us. I think there might just be something weird. I'm gonna have to look into it, but I don't know how it could be. Like, we're getting a label from them, so they wouldn't even have our.
Didn't you say it
Yeah,
was
I checked.
maybe something
I
with the
checked.
report?
Yeah, it
That
could be
it's
something
showing
with the
something
report.
wonky?
Yeah, it could be something there. It could be that we used to show zero cost, and then somehow we're getting cost in there now, and so it appears like we're paying, but
I checked a few in both shipping platforms, and they're not there.
yeah, and there would be something very wrong if they were.
Yeah.
And
I-
yeah, but yeah, that's good. That's good that you checked.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Well,
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No.
yeah,
I
we'll
just
talk
like
about it.
I think,
So
Okay,
yeah, I'll look
I'll
into
follow
that.
up with you.
further.
We'll talk about it after.
Yeah, that's on the top of my list to look at.
Yeah. Okay.
So that was it.
For me, I worked on Printify stuff, getting that ready. Now that they changed the shape of their payload, I talked to Mario with adjusting the processing side of it. So I was just working on that. finished it up, I think, and now I'm just gonna run tests. It looks like they submitted an order last night. They wanted us to run through, so which is awesome that they were able to submit the order. So I'm gonna go over that today. I have some planning stuff I want to look at, and then Mari brought in those lay flat books that I need to work on, and if the skeletons come back up from the dies, I have a story and stand up for that if we're gonna talk about it, so we can talk over it then. But other than that, yeah,
I doubt.
And just-
I doubt they'll show up today.
Yeah.
I don't think the shop is very staffed, so yeah, I don't
That
think
makes
it will.
sense. That makes sense. So probably won't have to worry about that until next week. And then just whatever, so Ryan can get some rest. Whatever happens after the release is done, just kind of watching for it, keeping it, make sure everything stays together. So that's about it for me.
Okay, yeah, nothing new. Just want the database to go faster.
Okay, well, let's bring up the stand-up list and see if there's anything in there we could at least talk about. Mario the Bug, maybe.
And then the one I mentioned is the second one from the bottom.
Yep. And Chuck has this. Report, shipping address check, all filters and sorting is failing. Want to discuss this one, Chuck?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Just that report. Then if you go in there, like if you try to do any filter to filter it down or to with any of them, or if you try to sort any of them, it's all broken. Oh, the order ID column happens to work for sorting only. The rest
You're
of
not
it.
saying that's just right now while the database is down, right?
Well, this was yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, like
that's not to be kind of fun.
yeah, seriously, yeah,
It's all broken.
yeah.
I've
Yeah,
tried
yeah,
clicking on every
Yeah,
page.
I've got like 50 other bugs in here from this morning.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fair. That page, I don't think they use much, but
Yeah.
we're trying to get them to use it more. So
Yeah, like they could have looked most of these. I mean, it doesn't give really specific. It's not too specific, but most of these that had address validation issues also showed up.
yeah, there should be an address validation specifically for not validating.
Yeah,
It should say USPS on it or something like that.
yeah. Man, now I can't remember where it
I
had.
don't think that's working super great.
Yeah, but yeah, there's
Something
like
like that.
these. No, I don't remember where the window was that said what the codes meant, but anyway, yeah. Most of these had a shipping validation issue.
Yeah, USPS code should say could not validate with USPS. I'm just looking at dev.
Yeah, the error code. The dumb thing is I'm talking. Well, like the validation code is a little bit more specific, but it's not a lot more specific. So
Yeah, I agree.
yeah, so I probably would have had to look at them anyway, and most of them are just their address is too long. But
And you
anyways,
can also, once you save a shipping address from there, it will revalidate, or you can have it revalidate.
mm-hmm.
And so,
Okay, cool.
that was the idea behind it anyway.
Cool.
So
Okay.
did we want to
Anyway.
get this into the current sprint?
It's not like extremely urgent,
Probably
but it's
not.
something that
Or
It's
Put
being
it on
not
deck
hard.
for now.
it's probably a really easy
Yeah.
one.
Probably like an extra small if somebody just
Yeah.
wanted to do it between
Okay, yeah,
stuff.
you can do that. Just add it to the bottom of the sprint list. I don't have strong feelings about it one way or the other.
Yeah.
okay, Scotty?
Actually, I wonder if this is something that we could have Nicholas play with a little bit, that one.
Yep.
Yeah, that'd be a pretty straightforward one.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be a good one.
Okay, let me keep it, stand up and make a note.
I have a story that I put in there just that I was collecting, Rebecca. It's up above the like code reviews, like right below the tasks in the sprint. It just says Nicholas onboarding or something like that. Just add that story number into that so that
Okay.
I can remember which ones we were talking about.
Okay, I will do that after this. And there was that other one. Is that already in there? Do you want me to find that one?
Yeah, you can find that. I may have already put it in there. I can't remember if I did or not. But
Oh, look.
and I'll be there in
Okay.
about 5 minutes. I ran into some traffic this morning, so slow going. And one of those mornings.
Afternoons for
Yep.
half the team today. Scotty. Okay. Change minted
I think
card
that-
lead.
I think I got this right. Hopefully I did. We need to update the minted importer so that the bleed for the cards with die cuts, right now it just sets it to 9. It just overrides everything. But it needs to be the lesser of either the X gutter divided by 2, the Y gutter divided by 2, or 9. Whichever.
That is correct.
Yes. I was really happy about that.
So yeah, just some background there. So we have because we're putting a whole 9 points on there. It's making the layouts a little odd because of our the dashed lines are overlapping each other, and so really the gutter that we have is all depends on, or the bleed we have available to us all depends on what half the gutter is. So whichever one is the smallest wins.
That makes sense. Or questions?
The 9 is actually the product bleed, right?
No, it's
Uh,
actually 4.5 for cards and invites, but for dies we prefer to have 9 points of bleed. But with this particular layout, in order to get the outs we needed, they had to reduce that bleed. So we then need to have less bleed to work out because we have less gutter to use. So if you want to grab one of those skeletons, maybe that'll help show the challenge.
So put this huge book block on them. Right.
The one you were working on, Scotty?
Different one.
Ah, right.
Oh.
Yeah. So that little tiny sliver there is less than 1/8 of an inch.
And so won't focus on the. It's because my head's
Yeah, it won't, but it's
We can-
yeah,
we
it's-
can see
it's
it.
small.
It's small, but so the bleed lines are crisscross.
Yeah, that's not as much of a problem. I mean, but it is. We just need to make that adjustment because on the actual cards
Oh, I-
themselves, it seems like we are. Maybe when we're laying the cards down, we are doing that calculation already, because the bleed is not overlapping each of the card products aren't overlapping bleed when we're laying it down.
We have like a mask
Yeah.
where everything that extends that area will just be cropped.
Yeah.
So
We just need to make that adjustment so that the bleed is correct on those.
I see. The my question is that 9 is a hard-coded 9, right? It's not.
Correct.
It is. The
Where-
9 is a hard-coded 9.
And that's just on the minted importer, is that right? That it's hard coded to 9?
Yeah, it is. Yep.
It says the minted importer in the description.
Yeah. The question was asked, and so I'm just making sure to document the answer. May or may not like to type as well.
Okay.
Do you want to calculate story points? Want to vote on it, or do you want to throw out something?
I don't think it'd be too bad. Like a extra small.
And this is something that we need to get out pretty quick, right? Because we're
Yes.
having current orders, so I'll put it near the top, like,
Do we want no? This is important, so I don't think a automated test will help.
Yeah, I don't believe so. Yeah, that's a good call.
So is this something that we want maybe Sebastian to take a look at real quick before he gets into that other bigger project? Is it that kind of urgent?
I don't think it has to be.
Okay.
any other questions on it? And this was from Mario, what he was discussing earlier.
Yeah, that was the comment, the discussion in the when we were talking about the story 11304, and well, Cloud found that there is a pre-existing bug already, and just
Yep, we need to fix that.
Right away?
Yeah, I think so.
Fairly soon. I mean, it's been happening for a while. It's not breaking any partners, but we do want to fix that.
I can do it because I was just familiarized with that.
Okay.
What do you think for story point size?
I think XS or S is fine for me.
I'd put it as a small, Rebecca.
Okay. Perfect. Any other discussion needed on this, or?
Sounds like he's got it, so.
Perfect, okay. And I'm gonna move that one to the sprint under the task for Nicholas. And was there anything else on this one that we wanted to discuss today?
Okay, if that's the case, unless somebody has other things they want to discuss today, I think I'll call it early today, and I gotta go follow up with Jamie and Kara, and because it looks like it's 10 o'clock now, and it's probably not done, right?
Correct. It's not done yet.
Okay.
I mean, it is the big piece is done. We're just waiting on the second piece. Hard to say how long that's going to take.
Okay.
But I still feel good about 10:30.
Okay. All right, I will, all right, I'm gonna, yeah, we'll just keep going. I mean, the reality of this is that it has to be done, so.
It has to be done now. There's nothing we can do.
Yeah,
We could have
It sucks, but-
pulled back earlier, but we're not. So we're going forward.
yeah. And then the problem with that is then it still would have had to been done, so.
Still has to be done another day. Yep.
So, we're gonna pull off the Band-Aid, and it's gonna suck for a little bit, and then at least it'll be done. Okay, thanks everybody. If you need anything from me, feel happy to reach out, and we'll just keep on plugging away.
Sounds good.
Excellent.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Yeah.